This AI fabric inspection machine incorporates multiple automated features to boost production efficiency. It performs fully automated fabric defect detection and includes an automatic labeling function to support quality traceability. To protect knitted fabrics, a tension control system is integrated to ensure stable operation. Equipped with 2 rows of high-definition industrial cameras, it accurately captures fabric defects with an accuracy rate exceeding 90%. Inspection speed is flexibly adjustable. The machine features automatic length measurement and automatically cuts the fabric upon reaching the preset length. The automatic paper tube changing device reduces manual intervention and achieves fully automated operation. Integrated functions for automatic weighing, banding, and labeling streamline the process and enhance productivity.